Hey guys, this is Nick from Nexus Property Management Worcester. Just coming today to show you this new apartment that we have for rent right now. This is 6 Woodbine Street, Unit 1A in Worcester, Mass. And I just want to start off by showing you what it looks like in the bedroom area here. So lots and lots of light coming in through here. You kind of get the advantage of what the parlor rooms in the 3-decker have, which is, you know, these octagonal kind of bent walls in here. So gives a lot of space to the house. Opens it up a lot, especially in this room. Easily fit like a queen size bed in the entertainment system. It's already got the hookup for the cable right there. You just need to get the service. And here's the closet over here. Very big, nice and spacious. You've seen studio apartments where people kind of end up having to stack stuff on the wall. Well, definitely not here. Long space to hang clothes, as well as just, you know, maybe you have some boxes and the storage would work there as well. And yeah, so I'll give you another look at the bedroom. And then once you go through the bedroom, you come into where the apartment really opens up. So you come in through the hallway at this door, and you're immediately in the kitchen and bathroom. Bedroom's over there. You could make a small seating area out here or over there too. And these are all the appliances. So everything's in really good shape. The counters and the cabinets as well. It's got a little bit of an alcove back here. Lets a little bit more light into this apartment as well. And nice with the granite style countertops. Looks really good. And then lastly, you have the bathroom in here. Pretty standard. Standing shower with the shower head. A little bit of extra space back there. And then you've got the rest. And yeah, that was the bathroom and the rest of the house at the studio apartment at 6 Woodbine Street in Worcester. And this is Nick from Nexus Property Management.